So you're trying to install Windows 11, but your PC says it's not compatible? Chances are, it's because you don't have TPM 2.0. So what exactly is TPM, and why does Windows 11 require it? TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module. It's either a chip or a built-in feature on your computer that helps secure your hardware. To put it simply, think of TPM like a digital safe inside your PC. It stores sensitive stuff like encryption keys, fingerprints, or passwords, safely locked away. Even if your computer gets hit with a virus or hacked, without the right hardware access, that safe stays locked. Starting with Windows 11, Microsoft made TPM 2.0 a requirement, because it boosts security at the hardware level, not just the software like before. TPM comes in two forms. First, a physical chip that's soldered onto your motherboard, usually found in business or high-end computers. Second, a built-in version inside the CPU called FTPM. This one's a lot more common, especially in PCs made after 2018. A lot of people think their computer doesn't have TPM, but in many cases, it's just turned off in the BIOS. Here's how to check if TPM is enabled. Press Windows plus R, type tpm.msc, then hit Enter. If the status says the TPM is ready for use and the version is 2.0, you're good to go. If it says TPM can't be found, you might need to enable it in the BIOS. Now, in the BIOS, different brands call TPM by different names. If you're using an Intel CPU, look for something like Intel PTT. If you're on AMD, search for AMD FTPM. Once you turn it on, save the changes, restart your PC, and TPM should be active. There are tons of tutorials online showing how to bypass the TPM check, like editing the registry, tweaking the installer, or using tools like Rufus to create a USB that skips TPM requirements. Technically, yeah, it's possible to install Windows 11 that way, but you should really understand the risks. 1. Microsoft might block or limit major updates on unsupported machines. 2. Some of Windows 11's key security features won't work properly. And 3. Certain apps, like anti-cheat games or banking software, might refuse to run even if you manage to install Windows 11. So, if your device is too old and doesn't officially support TPM 2.0, the long-term solution is still upgrading your hardware, rather than trying to bend the rules on an insecure setup. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.